Hi guys, in this video, I will introduce you another tool to remove bloat and tweak Windows 10.
Windows 10 Bloat Remover and Tweaker is a free tool created to assist you in eliminating unnecessary software and disabling specific features that can occupy storage space and potentially impact the overall performance of your system. Go to this website and download your free copy.
After downloading, unzip and start the software. The software runs directly in the Windows command line interface. No installation is required.
To uninstall some predefined AWP apps, simply type one then press enter.
UWP apps are those ugly flat applications nobody really likes.
Only a few moments later, bloatware applications like Bing News, the Assistant Cortana, Maps, Microsoft Messaging, Mixed Reality, and some more are gone.
Press enter to return to the main menu. The debloater OPP seems to create a backup on the changes made. Nevertheless, I suggest to create a backup yourself before using the application.
Press 2 followed by return to uninstall Microsoft Edge.
Note that it is recommended to have an alternative web browser like Chrome or Firefox to be installed to handle all HTML and similar requests.
I'm not a big fan of cloud services.
My privacy concerns are too strong, so there's nothing to stop me uninstalling OneDrive.
Although there was a message in my case. OneDrive was no longer visible in Windows, so I assumed that everything went well.
Press 4 to remove various services.
Press 5 to remove more Windows features like the Step Recorder and Quick Assist. Then perform a system reboot as requested by the application.
If you want to change the application's default settings, open the John file in the program folder in any text editor.
You will see all entries there.
If you want to keep an application or service simple, remove the line from the file before you run the application.
I won't save as I want to remove all the junk from my computer. Next, we will set some privacy settings in Windows. Windows is very well known for spying on users. Press 6 to apply some tweaks for more privacy.
Read this carefully if you are interested in what exactly has been changed to better protect your privacy. Next, press 7 if you want to disable Microsoft telemetry.
Microsoft collects data about how you use the computer. Again, I don't want this feature, so let's turn it off. The subsequent report provides information on the changes that have been made and again calls for and recommends a restart. The next item on the list is Windows Defender.
The program was not necessarily convincing in tests, but I would not generally recommend uninstalling it.
The same applies to automatic updates. This setting is best left activated in most cases.
It is advisable to deactivate the next 3 entries in the list of bloat removers. Whenever Windows or an application creates error reports are generated and sent to Microsoft.
These reports may contain personal data you probably don't want to share with third parties. Consumer Experiences is another bloat which comes pre-installed with Windows.
You can turn them off as described in this article or press 12 and enter.
Perform another quick Windows reboot. And last but not least, disable suggestions and feedback requests. So these were the main features of the application. As I have shown you, the application is very powerful.
With a few mouse clicks, you can significantly debloat Windows 10 and remove unwanted program features to better protect your privacy.
Disabling unnecessary services should also help to speed up your computer.
If you want to improve the application or suggest a feature, you can create a ticket on GitHub. From my experience, the application is well made. I have not encountered any problem, except the one mentioned for example when removing the Edge browser. That's it for today. See you in the next video.